I'm Marie Palmer. I'm a director, owner at Cast Iron Welding, CIWS. This is the first of my weekly vlogs, so this is something new to me, but something I'm keen to talk to people about, really, just talk about what we've been doing. So this week, start of February, been talking about apprenticeships and engaging with young people to bring on new skills. So we work in heavy engineering environment, and we are always needing to find new skills and people to bring in and to have our workforce share in their knowledge and pass it on. So today I've been involved in a question and answer panel for the Teachers and Carers Conference, annual conference, and I was there on this occasion as a parent ambassador, and I was invited to come along and just speak and answer some questions, as I've actually had two children that have gone through education and then sought to either go into further education or into apprenticeships. So I'm particularly interested in apprenticeships, not only from a personal point of view, as my son has gone through that scheme, but from a business point of view. And I really am keen to work with our local college and provide opportunities for local people. So we are taking part next week in a question and answer panel for Stevenson's College, which is local to us. We are going to be making a presentation and talk about what we do and how we view and take on board apprenticeships. Now, I feel really strongly about apprenticeships because I didn't actually take a sort of a normal course through education to get to where I am now, and it wasn't, and it wouldn't have been, I wouldn't be here really if it hadn't been for the mentors that I'd had along the way. And I think my first experience of being at college and the people and the tutors around me at that time really did set me off on the right path, and gave me those sort of the right ethics and determination. So I'm really grateful for that. So I think if I could just inspire somebody or pass on just a little bit of help or knowledge, then that'll make me happy. So I'll let you know how I get on.